As its name implies, additive manufacturing is the process of adding layers of material to create a three-dimensional object. This advanced technology is having immense impact both domestically and abroad. Military, aerospace, medical, and many other industries are being enhanced and redefined by the democratization of additive manufacturing in new and exciting ways. As the nation's leading public-private partnership for additive manufacturing, America Makes is the champion proponent of this advanced technology. We convene, coordinate, and catalyze the additive manufacturing ecosystem to accelerate both the technology's adoption and our nation's competitiveness. As an impartial convener of additive manufacturing and 3D printing stakeholders, America Makes is able to bring together some of the brightest minds in industry, academia, and government to work collaboratively and drive additive manufacturing innovation. We do this by working as a coordinator of technical and workforce information and data. America Makes serves as an accessible hub for the efficient transfer of information to inspire ideas and innovation. We are an educational resource for all entities of potential impact. America Makes creates a collaborative, non-competitive environment for members who work on high-impact projects that accelerate the rate of additive manufacturing adoption and meet the high-priority needs of the U.S. economy. Explore how America Makes and additive manufacturing technology are making a national impact.